Well, Weather Wednesdays are a time when we get to talk about the weather more in depth together. And of course, all for the last week, we've been talking about these terrible fires. But we've also been talking about drought conditions across our state. After two remarkably wet winters from 2022 into 23, and then again 2023 into 24, now La Nina is living up to expectations and resulting in warmer, drier winter months for California. Despite beginning last year of 2024 with historic rainfall levels, an extended dry spell has now covered Southern California last spring, bringing now severe drought conditions south of the Kern County line that have fueled these large wildfires in recent months. In the downtown LA metro area from May 6th through December 31st, they only had 1/1600ths of an inch of rain, making the 7-month stretch the second driest in recorded LA history, according to data from the National Weather Service. What about us here in Kern County? Well, for Bakersfield, we had a wetter period from May through December last year, but now we haven't had measurable rain since December 27th. And the entire month of December for Bakersfield brought in only 4100ths of an inch of rain. That's less than half of our December normal. So National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration says, meteorologists there, that during a La Nina year, we'll have winter temperatures that are warmer than normal in the south and cooler than normal in the north. The phenomenon have global impacts on our weather, wildfires, ecosystems, and more. Hence why we see red flag warnings like this that are typical for June, July, and August now happening here in January. In recent years, the weather pattern has brought severe drought conditions to Southern California, fueling dangerous wildfire conditions like we're experiencing. It's not all bad news. For our last Sierra snowpack survey, California's snowpack in the northern Sierra, at least, was about 10% above average. But here in Southern Sierra, our numbers are still lagging below average. So, we'll be watching it for you.